What is SoSoValue airdrop? Step-by-step guide. SoSoValue is a crypto research and investment platform that combines artificial intelligence with comprehensive market analytics. The platform provides users with real-time data analysis, market trends, and ETF dashboards to help make informed investment decisions. Having raised $19.15 million in funding, SoSoValue aims to make crypto research more accessible through its data-driven approach and educational resources. The platform stands out by offering features such as smart market indicators, portfolio tracking tools, and detailed asset analysis. Users can access comprehensive research reports and market insights generated through advanced data processing. SoSoValue airdrop details. The SoSoValue airdrop is now confirmed and available to participants worldwide. The program operates on an experience (EXP) point system, where users can earn points through various platform interactions and social media engagement. Users start with 10,000 EXP points upon registration with our invitation link, with opportunities to earn additional points through daily tasks and one-time activities. The airdrop focuses on building an active community while rewarding users who contribute to the platform's growth. SoSoValue has now started Season 2 of their airdrop program. Users can start earning EXP and secure a spot in the second season. Step-by-step guide. SoSoValue Season 1 airdrop checker. 1. Visit the SoSoValue airdrop checker page. 2. Claims begin on January 24th at 11 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. 3. Connect your wallet after the checker goes live to find out how many SoSo tokens you're eligible for. How to participate in SoSoValue airdrop, Season 2 now live. 1. Visit the SoSoValue platform. Choose email registration, and connect wallet later, or wallet connection. Using our link grants you 10k extra EXP. Complete account setup. Visit the points dashboard by clicking on your EXP on top right corner. 2. Connect required accounts. Link your Google account, 75,000 EXP. Connect your X, Twitter, account, 75,000 EXP. Join the Telegram community, 150,000 EXP. 3. Install applications. Download the desktop app, 225,000 EXP. Install the mobile app, 225,000 EXP. 4. Complete social media tasks. Subscribe to YouTube channel, 75,000 EXP. Follow official X account, 75,000 EXP. Daily tasks for maximum rewards. 1. Daily check-in. Day 1, 1,000 EXP. Day 2, 2,000 EXP. Day 3, 1,000 EXP. Day 4, 2,000 EXP. Day 5, 1,000 EXP. Day 6, 1,000 EXP. Day 7, 3,000 EXP. 2. Social media engagement. Watch daily news, 4,000 EXP. Share SoSoValue news on X, 4,000 EXP. Quote official tweets, 2,000 EXP. Reply to official tweets, 1,000 EXP. Like official tweets, bonus EXP. Tips for maximizing rewards. Complete all one-time tasks first to secure the highest possible EXP. Check the platform daily for new opportunities. Frequently asked questions. What is EXP and how does it work? EXP, or experience points, is the platform's reward system that tracks user engagement and participation. Higher EXP levels may correlate with better airdrop rewards. How long will the airdrop campaign last? The airdrop duration has not been officially announced. It's recommended to participate early, as initial EXP rewards may decrease as more users join. Can I participate from any country? The airdrop appears to be open globally, but users should check their local regulations regarding cryptocurrency participation. Is there a minimum EXP requirement? While there's no official minimum requirement, accumulating more EXP potentially increases your chances of better rewards. Conclusion: remember to handle your account credentials securely and never share private keys or sensitive information. The platform offers a legitimate opportunity to participate in the crypto ecosystem while learning about market analysis and investment strategies. You're interested in more projects that do not have any token yet and could potentially airdrop a governance token to early users in the future? Then check out our list of potential retroactive airdrops to not miss out on the next DeFi airdrop.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.